Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to update the software devices drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. Go to search bar and type device manager. As you can see on the top here, open it, expand this file. Now in the left panel you have to search for software devices. As you can see the software devices, double click on it. Now you can see here the four options. So click on first and go to update driver. Now click on search automatically for drivers. It starts searching. Now as you can see here, I have the best drivers your device is already installed. If you have not installed, this will show a list. You can directly download from here. Now you have to do this for every options here. You have to check update driver. Go to search automatic drivers. Now it's already installed. Now one by one you have to check for every one. Search automatically for drivers. Now I see it's already installed. Now I will check for extreme. Search automatic for drivers. As you can see, I've already updated my all the drivers on my PC. Now go to settings. Open settings. Now after open settings, go to home and click on the right top here, window update. Click on it and go to check for updates. Now we'll start checking for updates for the latest drivers on my PC as well as laptop. It will take a few minutes. Now you have to download the latest updates from here if you have any, and you can keep your, as you can see here, my laptop is up to date. And thank you guys if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.